presented fair value gap. I don't know if I really like that being the first presented fair value gap though. I'll bring this in just to cover costs. Now, if this is actually going to be bullish, it should start running pretty quickly. It's kind of hanging around right now. Bring this up just a little bit. We trade into this. I want to see what this is. New day opening gap. Today's new day opening gap. So we're just going to bring this in a little more. We'll bring it in just a bit more. And we have this. We'll use this one, but we have this minor buy side right here. Just going to bring this in a little bit more. It seems fairly efficient, so I'm just going to bring it in. If it was a little bit more inefficient, I think I would hold off on bringing the stop in, but seems decently efficient. So I have this near the bottom quadrant here. We want to see what we get from this one here. If this comes down, then the next one goes up, or if it comes down a little bit and then shoots up, we can kind of trust that and look for this to be the order block right here. So we only have one contract on right now, so we have to manage it kind of closely. Like if we had multiple contracts, we could take some off as we displaced higher. We're very close to running this. We ran this minor buy side, but I would consider this the buy side truly. This is a little bit lower. Um, and I think I would look for just this here in order to totally close it. But again, we only have one contract, so we are kind of at the hands of the price engine right now. Can't really manage too much with a single contract. So, in the possible propulsion block we're trading right now into this. Okay, so we just ran this, so now I want to move this up, and I want to see if we want to run through this very quickly. Tap this new week opening gap, came a little bit lower. I do think we'll start to want to explode through it, just because we traded through it from the bottom, we traded through it from the top, and now we're revisiting from the bottom. So we don't have to smash through it right now, but I do think we'll end up smashing through it at some point. And I'm actually going to move this down to the bottom quadrant just because um, it's about to be 950, so we should get a macro that runs from 950 to 1010. Um, so let's watch what happens at 949.50 and then watch at 950. Price should start to move more quickly. It could stop us out, but that's just something we have to watch in price. So watch what price does right now. And there we go. I'm just going to get rid of it now. And that's that. Beautiful delivery. Um, yeah, it doesn't really seem that this price is being manipulated right now, which is great. So we just ran these highs. Yeah, I mean, I could see it running this high. I think we might slow down a little bit. We do have news being delivered at 10, so we'll hold off and wait for that. But yeah.